What's the first train we're gonna hook up?
Q train.
The Q train.
We're gonna get.
Is this our subway car?
Yeah.
So cool.
We're gonna get a little car right here.
Another piece of the subway.
This is the part. Hey, let's pretend this is the part of the subway train.
Yep, I'm pretending. Great. Okay, Munchkin, what are we gonna do today?
We're building tracks.
Building tracks, but guess what? I want you to tell me how we're gonna build a track, okay? This is gonna be your whole imagination. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, so we have all sorts of tracks in here. We have railroad crossing tracks, straightaway tracks, curved tracks, little curves, decorative pieces, all sorts of different connector tracks, switch tracks,
Railroad station. And the cave.
Okay.
And we can put straightaways in the tunnel.
Okay.
And the train comes through the tunnel and the train comes through the here. Because the train can come through the cave right there.
Awesome.
Now we need straightaways.
Need a straightaway. I'm gonna get you one. Here you go. Liam, which way are we going with this?
This way.
Oh, okay.
Well, let's move these guys around.
Do you want to use this like a tunnel?
Oh yeah.
Okay. There we go.
We need a curve.
Good idea.
Now I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I think we need another curve.
So far we have the cave, we come downhill, we go around and around and around, and we go underneath the shopping cart.
And this.
And we come all the way around this way. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get another straightaway, and where are we gonna go with this? Going?
This way and all the way around here.
Oh, you want it to connect?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we need curves. But how we get all the way over here? Then after this, we're gonna have a track connection. We're gonna have belts have a track connection. Okay, let's.
Wait, you made a giant loop here. This looks so good. Start at the cave. We're gonna go down in a little loop. Go underneath the shopping cart, which we have a switch track. And then we're gonna come all the way this way and around. And we are looped back right here at the cave. So now, where are we gonna go with the switch track? Okay, what other tracks could we use in here to extend this curve? Cool. If we just take this basket and dump it out. Hey, how did Nico get in here? Liam, what other tracks do we need?
More straightaways.
More straightaways. Yeah, we do, right? Okay, and now all we're left with are all these curved tracks here. These crisscross ones. Look at this though. We have all those little curves. We have all these big curves. No more straight tracks. We have a disproportionate amount of curves to straight tracks. Max, how did Max get in here?
I will do a destination to this home.
You want to show me?
Yeah.
Show me the home. Wow.
That's
okay, so where do we want to put the home?
Right here.
Okay, so no more building?
Yeah, no more. Yeah, yeah, and that's the end of the track.
The destination is this little house. You go through one of our railroad crossings. You go underneath our shopping cart cave. And it's gonna take you all the way around, up over the cave, down the cave, around, and back through the shopping cart. Munchkin, you know what we forgot to do?
What?
We forgot to place all of our decorations on the track. So we have deer. Don't forget we have our stations. Look at this. Is this a subway station?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna put the stations?
Over here.
Okay, so subway station's gonna go over there.
And here comes Santa. Ho, 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 ho.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
So this is gonna be the North Pole. And where are we gonna put the railroad station?
Right here.
Okay, so it's gonna go right there. The Christmas tree go?
It goes by Santa.
Santa is gonna go over there. Where's the bridge gonna go?
Right next to the station.
Okay, great. Where's the conductor gonna go?
Right in the railroad station. Because
Great. We have stoplight, subway exit, and a train crossing sign. And a railroad sign. Or subway stop and the exit.
And this is gonna go over by the destination.
And then we have all these little bushes. Oops. Are they all gonna go here?
Yeah, they're gonna go next to.
Like that. And we have an MTA worker.
It's gonna go on this station right here.
Okay. Where the ducks gonna go?
This water right here.
Okay, so we're gonna place them. Quack, quack.
They're going in
Great.
the.
So we have our cave, and we go down the cave, and hey, it's the North Pole, and Santa, and deer. And then we hit our first railroad station, it's the conductor, and you can decide, okay, do I take a right and go to the house, or take a left and continue the curve? And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a left, go through Shopping Cart Cave. We hit some of our signs. And then this is our subway station with our little MTA worker. And then that's gonna bring us back all the way to the cave. So we're gonna go back all the way around and back to our split. We're gonna go through, hit another one of our sign. This is our wonderful railroad crossing. And the destination house.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
Now let's connect one of our trains.
Okay, what's the first train we're gonna hook up?
Q train.
The Q train.
We're gonna get.
Is this our subway car?
Yeah.
So
we're
cool.
gonna get a little car right here.
Another piece of the subway.
This is the part. Hey, let's pretend this is the part of the subway.
Yep, I'm pretending. Great. Okay. Nice. Choo choo.
And look,
Look at this train. Looks so great.
we have.
Oh, wow.
But
Is
we
this
have
a
only-
subway car?
Yeah, we have only one more call and it's the caboose.
The caboose. Where's the caboose gonna go?
Right here.
Nice.
So now let's play. I'll play the Q-tip and you play the R-train, okay?
This is the R train?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's the R train. These are so cool.
And there's a little station right there.
I love the Q train. So that's the subway station, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we have a balloon in the way. Okay, choo choo. Subways go really fast, right?
Oh no, look out!
Oh, you're going this way? Here, I'll go the other way. Oh, sorry, Santa. Hey, Brio. I'm gonna send you all the way this way. Choo choo.
Is he going home?
Yep. To home. Choo choo. The caboose is the engine in this, in this imagination of mine. As you exit, please watch the gap between the platform and the train. Boom, boom. This is a Coney Island bound Q train. The next station is Times Square. Boop, boop. Do you like my voiceover? This is the Coney Island Q train. The next station is Union Square. Boop.
Over the shopping cart cave.
This is a Manhattan. This is a Queens-bound Q train. The next station is Queensboro Plaza. As you exit, please watch the gap between the platform and the train. Boom, boom. Oh no, what happened to our station? Look at us flying subway train.
he flies. Hey, the train. Oh!
Oh no.